up, fam? This message finds you all longer spirits. We are here with Villain Evolution's 2020 GT500. We're gonna see what it does. It did a best ever 950. Can it beat it? Let's find out. Maybe even 8s. I'm excited. Look at this beast. Stay tuned. First ever full drag pack on a 500 right here, right now. Evolution Performance going ham with it. Oh, that looks delicious. Now this looks fire. Officially jelly. Oh, sookie. Oh, sookie now. Well, here it is, folks. Full drag pack on a 2020 GT500. Look at that skinny. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. How you doing, bro?
Doing good.
Good to see you. Fred Cook, Evolution Performance. Today is a good day. We're going to see the baddest 500 on the planet, bro.
Absolutely.
I'm excited. I'm excited. I bought my stock one here, and I'm actually anxious to see what you guys are going to do.
Well, I'm anxious to see what we're going to do, too, so we'll see what happens.
Dalton's getting set up, and he's going to be racing. What's the name of the car again?
The name of the car?
Yeah.
It's the Villain. The
Villain. All right. And as you can see, Dalton has a very good physique, so you might throw him in the Hulk, get a better time. So stay tuned for that. You know, he stays away from the cheeseburgers, but I don't. So we'll see what you do, and we're gonna actually go heads up against each other for fun. Stock with a tire, and seats are out. And this, check out Evolution Performance, all out drag pack, 85 tune, the whole 9. Let's go. Let's see what it does. Kong Performance Porta Blower, what's the best it's done so far?
The 959 holds the record for the world's fastest.
So this is the world's fastest 2020 G500, built by Evolution, tuned by Lund, driven by my guy here. So we're excited. So I'm gonna get destroyed, but it's worth it for a car like that. So let's do it.
Top end. Pro Treat and No Time Slick Prep cars, you're in 3 and 4. Pro Treat and No Time Renewal Prep cars, you're in 5 and 6. No Time Bike Show, right side. Come on down, we got it all right. Keep going. For the right lane,
Thank you. Yeah, we ran a lot slower that time, and it looks like he let off. So that was a 10.7 at 128. So far, 10.7 at 128, and gonna find out what's going on.
149.60 foot.
Jeez.
First of the 1.4s.
What you guys may have seen is the car cut a 1.4, which was moving, and there was, you know, he let out. But now here's what we're discovering with the Mickey. We're getting about the same 60, but we're losing at the top end. So we'll see what's going on. Maybe taller tire. All right, so Evolution's car, Villain got a couple passes in, and now they got some revisions from Lund, so they're gonna run it and see how she does. This could be the one. Looking at Lund's car. first one ever, 950 at 152.
967
Oh
was
my
the second
goodness.
Wait until we get transmission access.
Uh-oh.
Game over.
This is the fastest ever 2020 Shelby GT500 to date. A mid-9, 9.5 at 152. Wow.
Actually, that's the StangMode.
Yeah, we have a little secret. We have a little secret that only we know about.
And it's gonna stay like that.
But it's gonna stay like that. A little secret drag mode, stang mode thing we figured out, and
That's what it's called. Drag mode, stang mode.
there we go, dude. I appreciate it, man. That was 9-1.
What? No way.
That was 9-1. 9-1. That was 9-1. Oh shoot. Yo. Great job. 9-1. We're gonna get that 8 today, guys. Oh my gosh. 9-1 at, what was it, 154?
Yeah, 154 miles an hour though.
Holy cow. Let's go. It's gonna do it today, boy. It's gonna do it. It's gonna happen. Good job, brother. Good job. 9-1. Oh my gosh, I think 8s are happening. Let's look at the slip, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It didn't record a 60 for some reason, but 9-1. 9-1 at 154. Oh my gosh, 5.9. It's an 8-second car, guys. This is happening. Wow. So this, you can see the difference, guys. This is a stock 500 to your left. And to your right, this is what you do when you modify these guys. 9-1 at 154. Let's get the 8-second pass today, baby. It looked effortless too. I mean, I was like, yo, this looked like so relaxed, dude. All right, y'all, so you just saw that this villain, this Evolution built car, just ran a 9-1 at 154. Maybe we can get an 8, who knows? They're just getting started. It's the tip of the iceberg. Man, look at this drag pack. So quickly, so excited. Just so you guys know, for our personal journey, we were trying out the Mickeys on the Hulk. Had a lot of sway at the end of the track, so I lost a mile an hour. It wasn't as pleased, so we'll talk about it in a later video. But for now, we're talking about the villain. This is not Dylan, by the way. If I said that, I apologize. This is Zach from Saved by the Bell. That's me. No, this is the guy who owns all the records right now. We were talking about micro records, right? Micro records, yeah. What you got? What are your favorite micro records?
Let's see.
60 foot, top speed, ET. All right, I'm trying to get the micro records for stock.
Best looking car.
Uh-oh, hey, wait a minute. I think I own that one. Wait, I thought I had that one.
First one with race wheels, first one with race brakes.
That's right. We got the first. You got our guys the first everything.
First one in the 9s, 980s, 990s.
I'm the first one with the GT500 inserts on the bumper. What about that?
You are.
That's my micro record. Just to show everybody who has questions or would be, you know, making false claims. Nothing crazy, just some seat weight reduction. No nitrous, no nothing like that. Just E85 tune. And there you go. She's done for the day. I gotta drive her back 3.5 hours. So yeah. This is about to run 8, so I gotta see how this does. I gotta be, I gotta get first-hand seats. So 9.1, they gotta get an 8. I'm so excited. Yeah, we waited so long, I forgot about this. Okay, let's go. This is it. Make some history. Sadly, he had to let out there. But so far, to date, that is the fastest GT500 at 9.1 at 154. So, impressive.
It's got a lot of power to it. Hasn't been able to get down the track just yet, so let's see.
All right, I'm gonna hit the road, guys. Great job, brother. Great job. Congratulations to Evolution and Fred. We're gonna get up soon. This is just the beginning. 9.1 at, what was it, 154?
Yeah, got it more coming. Don't
So, the best is yet to come.
This exceeded what we expected.
Next period coming up.
Of course, you had to get your 9.1 by gapping the Hulk. Dang it! Congratulations. Stay tuned. Evolution link in the description. Great job, man. Congratulations.
147.
Yep.
147, 60 foot.
There you go.
That.
147.60.
Wait until we get TCM control.
Yep.
You know?
913 at 154.
It's stuff like that's kind of unpredictable when you don't have strain support like that, so you just kind of roll with the punches.
Yeah, remember, guys, they're doing this all with the stock transmission tune.
This tune's designed for 680 wheel horsepower.
And what are you guys at now?
Fred, what are we making now?
We're about 1100 rear wheel. Courtesy of Lund Racing.
All right, Lund Racing tuned, 1100 wheel horsepower. Just wait.
What, 1080 or something like that?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Apparently, just enough to run a low 9, so.
There you go.
You know.
Can't be mad at that. Stay tuned.